What if I told you that the person causing all your problems and the person who can solve every single one of them is the exact same person? Welcome to day 1 of our 30-day hooponopono journey. Today we're learning an ancient Hawaiian secret that proves you don't need to change the world to find peace. You only need to clean what's happening inside of you. Hooponopono means to make right. It's based on a radical idea, which is 100% responsibility. This doesn't mean everything is your fault, but it means everything you experience is your responsibility to heal. If you see a problem in your bank account, in your health, or even on the news, it's showing up in your reality because of a memory replaying in your subconscious. Let's try it together right now. Take a deep breath. Bring to mind one situation or person that is causing you stress. Don't look at them. Look at the feeling they give you. Repeat after me. I'm sorry. You are not saying these words to a person. Please forgive me. You're saying them to the divine or your own subconscious. Thank you. To clear the old memory that is projecting this problem into your life. I love you. You are cleaning the data of the past. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. As you go about the rest of your day, notice when you feel a tweak of irritation, fear, or judgment. Don't fight it. Just quietly whisper the 4 phrases. This is how you become a practitioner of wisdom rather than just a student of it. This is day 1 of our 30-day journey. To officially join this challenge and start your daily wisdom practice, I want you to do 2 things. First, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss day 2, where we reveal why I'm sorry is the most powerful psychological reset you can use. Second, comment I am cleaning below. This isn't just for the algorithm, it's a physical signal to your subconscious that you are ready to take 100% responsibility for your peace. I'm cleaning with you. I love you, and I'll see you tomorrow.